Parents and students, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at good sounds on page 6 and the cuckoo on page 7. So page 6 is a review of harmonic intervals. Remember, harmonic comes from the word harmony, meaning together. So you have two notes played together. So the first one they give you is on the right hand, a second, third, fourth, and fifth. Then the left hand, they also give you a second, third, fourth, fifth. And that's the example at the top of page 6. Good sounds is going to start off with that second, that 1 and 2. You're going to go, you're going to go to 1 and 3 for the third, 1 and 4 for the fourth, and 1 and 5. That's the first line. The second line is going to start off in the right hand with 1 and 2, 1 and 3, excuse me, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 4, 1 and 4, 1 and 5. And then 1 and 5, 1 and 4, 1 and 3, 1 and 2, 1 and 3. So good sounds, the entire thing goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is good sounds on page 6. The cuckoo on page 7. So this is a review of 3/4 time. That means we're going to be counting to 3 in each measure. Counting on the cuckoo is incredibly important. 3/4, it's really easy to turn it into 4/4 if you pause between your measures. So I would recommend counting out loud as you play this. I'm going to go ahead and play this first line and show you what I'm talking about. But the left hand is going to be doing 1 and 5 as a dotted half note. Gets 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Then 1 and 5 again. 1, 2, 3. Then we have a second interval. 1 and 2 for 3 beats. And then 1 and 3 for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. The right hand is going to go G with 5. E, G, E, D, C, D, C. So the whole first line is going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Second line, just the left hand is going to be 1 and 2 as a half note. Then we're going to go to 1 and 3, 1 and 4 as a dotted half note, so it gets 3 beats. Then 1 and 5 as a half note, 1 and 4 as a quarter note, and then 1 and 3 as a dotted half note. The right hand is going to go D on with the second finger, D, D, E with the third, E, F is a half note, D, E, E, F, G, E. So the second line goes. Make sure they're holding out those left hand harmonic intervals as long as they need to. For instance, that 1 and a 4 gets held out for 3 beats. It has to be ringing that whole time. The last line is the exact same as the first line, so I'm just going to go ahead and play the whole thing. You'll also notice there's a repeat sign at the end of the first line. That means you do repeat that first line and then move on to the second and third. So it's the first line again, then the second and third lines. So here is the cuckoo all the way through. 1, 2, 3. that's it for today. Good luck practicing.